Hey, what's up? So we're back at part two. We're actually going to do a mag extension on this pistol. So with the +2 mag extension from Galloway Precision, it's going to give me 17 rounds plus one, a total of 18 rounds. I mean, I'm loving that. I mean, can't ask for much more than that, right? Without going extendo. I can't stand those long mags. I mean, this is a concealed carry type of setup, also known as a range pistol anyway, so can't go too big. But I like the Galloway Precision gives you like their Allen wrench included. Uh, let's go ahead and pull this out of the package. And it looks like their parts are 3D printed, which is great quality. I mean, there's no burrs on it. I mean, this is really good quality. I mean, you can't even find an imperfection on there. Let me get this closer to the camera. Look at that. I mean, Galloway Precision, man, they go all out sometimes on this stuff, man. I mean, for the price you pay, I mean, you can't ask for anything more. I mean, that's pretty good. So let's go ahead and pull this stock Ruger base plate off. I don't have a punch, so we're just going to use this. Here we go. So this thing doesn't go like Jack in the Box flying all over the place. I'm going to go ahead and hold it. Here we go. One thing I do love about this magazine is it has like a seesaw. I mean, just to keep stuff together. And you can see. Let's go ahead and pull the locking screw out. Unscrew that. I mean, since COVID, man, you know, firearms has been like the greatest pastime for a lot of people. They're gonna sit that there. Make sure we keep an eye on that because you don't want to lose that. Just gonna push that back in there like so. And we're gonna go ahead and get this lined up. Takes a little bit of lining stuff up. Just gotta get it just right. There you go. There you go. Now, get a little bit of blue Loctite. I can find my blue Loctite. There we go. Get a little bit of blue Loctite just to make sure things stay in place. You don't need a lot, just a little dab. Hope I can get this in the camera. Am I getting this in the camera? Because we don't want this to go anywhere. I don't think it will because it's already on there. Okay, so we got a little bit of a dab going. And we're just going to go ahead and screw that in there. Like so. You don't want to screw too tight. I mean, it's not going to go anywhere, but you know, it's just an extra safety measure, I guess you could say. There you go. You're going to get it just tight enough to where there. Nice. So now we have 17 rounds in this magazine. And See how it looks inside the gun. Oh wow, that's nice. So yeah, Galloway Precision for the win. And stay tuned. You guys may have to help me with an optic. I'm not sure which one to go with. Like I said, it's going to be like a Holosun or a Burris Fastfire 2. I'm not sure yet. So you guys, kind of chime in on the comments. Let me know what you think. While we're at it, let's go ahead and pull it out. I mean, this thing is sexy. It's just something about black and red, man. I mean, it's so fucking sexy, right? Look at that. Beautiful. It's like a piece of art, man. I love how they even put the screws in the fucking plate. I mean, Galloway Precision, man, I mean, they really kind of kill it when it comes to these aftermarket parts, you guys. I mean, it even matches the trigger. Same. It looks like anodized red. I can get it in the shot. Matching. So they make this plate in black as well. But I want a little bit of red. I like the Darth Maul look, But yeah, man, I mean, I can't say anything bad about Galloway Precision. I mean, some of my other firearms have Galloway Precision parts on them, and I've never had any issues with them. I don't even have to call them when I have an issue, as far as their stuff goes. You don't call them, you just get your stuff, and you're on about your way. So you guys take it easy. Have a good day. Give this video a like. Subscribe. And we're going to have some fun coming up. Y'all take it easy.